The new 2023 Pilot TrailSport brings rugged adventure to Honda's popular three-row family crossover. But is it real capability or just for looks? We have a complete look right now. To learn more about other options and features, visit AutoNationDrive.com. Click New Cars, Research, Honda, and then select Pilot. We make it easy to find what you want fast. The Honda Pilot has long been a popular choice for growing families, simply due to its spacious cargo capacity and class-leading driving dynamics. For 2023, you can add rugged good looks to that list as well, as it gets a new design in addition to a new off-road-focused TrailSport trim. In this video, we're going to focus on the TrailSport and what it brings to the table. Designed for more adventurous buyers, the Pilot TrailSport features a number of upgrades that improves capability over the standard Pilot. Ride height is increased to 8.3 inches, it gets 2 skid plates to protect the undersides, a recovery hook is included in the front, and the tow hitch is now upgraded to not only tow 5,000 pounds, the chain loops can also be used for recovery. The wheels are 18-inch alloys wrapped in all-terrain tires. There's a new trail cam, and the all-wheel drive system has been upgraded for better torque distribution in challenging conditions. Price of the new 2023 Honda Pilot TrailSport starts at $48,350 US. Under the hood is a newly revised 3.5-liter V6 engine that produces up to 285 horsepower and 262 pound-feet of torque. A 10-speed automatic transmission is standard, and all TrailSports come with the iVTM4 all-wheel drive system. Drive modes include towing, sport, sand, snow, and trail. EPA rates economy of the TrailSport at 18 miles to the gallon in the city and 23 on the highway. On the inside, the Pilot is still one of the best in terms of storage and passenger comfort. Fold the seats flat and you can pack up to 87 cubic feet of cargo. With the seats in place, even adults can fit in the third row. Second row passengers get captain's chairs along with climate control, power, and vents. Up front, the driver gets heated seats with power controls. A digital display in the gauge cluster gives lots of useful information. The standard 9-inch touchscreen infotainment system gives easy access to music, vehicle data, and a lot more. It also works wirelessly with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A wireless charger is also provided. Compared to more extreme off-road SUVs, the Pilot TrailSport is still a pleasure to drive on paved roads. Power from the V6 is plentiful, and the iVTM4 all-wheel drive system is a true torque vectoring setup. With it, the Pilot can push up to 70% of available torque to the rear wheels, and up to 100% of that can go to either side. With the new TrailSport, Honda has provided a trail mode for the first time. This optimizes the iVTM4 system to the rigors of off-road driving. Power shifts between left and right wheels as needed to get the vehicle wherever you need to go. Though it's quite capable on even moderate trails, the long overhangs on the front and rear can be an issue on more challenging runs. But with smart driving, you'll rarely encounter any roads this Pilot can't conquer. The Honda Pilot TrailSport is the ultimate road and trail family adventure crossover. Visit AutoNationDrive.com to see all the options from Honda. We have more than 70,000 new and used vehicles available from coast to coast. Find the perfect vehicle, pick your options, and arrange for a test drive at your local AutoNation Honda dealer today.